Another day. Our daylilies have bloomed. They have buds. Dami. Last year or 2 years ago, pa isa-isa lang yan. It's their third year now here. Kaya ngayon, sabay na sila nagbo-bloom and madaming buds. I like this red. We got it from my brother and my sister-in-law's house. Yan. It rained really hard last night. Thunderstorm. Kaya tuloy, nabasa ang mga flowers and ang bigat nila. And basa. So sana tumaas siya ulit. Para hindi, dami pa naman blooms. Oh, and then also our yellow daylilies. Tsaka yun naganda. Okay, gotta go for a walk. Walk muna ako. Yan, ganda talaga nung red flowers na to eh. Kaya lang mahilig siyang kumalat. Okay, oh, malapit na ang aking rose. Red rose. Have to walk. Ako, nakagat na naman ang coneflower. Ay, nako, what to do? Kinagat na naman ang coneflower. Kagat lang naman, hindi naman inaano. Ay, kainis. Baka nakagat na naman yung coneflower ko dito sa harap. The rose, pink rose, dianthus, yellow rose. Mahirap talaga pag walang ibang, kung mag-isa lang siya doon. Anyway, baka may makagat na naman dito. Wala naman. Ay, nako. Oh well. Okay, got it. Ang aming mulch, konti na lang. So, kailangan 2 weeks. Tapos na siya. Okay, gotta walk first. Walk. Yung bed na nilakihan ng asawa ko. Ayan, so we have to go put some mulch on it. Dalawa yan eh. Maple tree. Doon pa. Okay. Tuwa. So, it's my first time to see baby birds in their nest. So, here they are. I don't know, sleeping with their beaks open up. You can hear the nanay. I can hear the mommy. Just wanted to take a video. Bye. Good morning. Nice morning today. It's time to do some gardening again. It's a bit cloudy and a bit cooler, so it will be nice to do a lot gardening today. And just wanted to show again, paulit-ulit, these marvelous roses. Marvelous. There. Dami na rin nahuhulog. And dalawa na sila. The Asiatic lily. Dalawa na. Ito malapit na mag-open. And ito malapit na mag-bloom. And from afar, kasi merong mama bird dito. So, nag-open na rin yung dalawang daylily. Daylily, not daylily. It's Asiatic lily. Buti hindi. There. Nice. Mama bird is there. Hello, mama bird. Mukhang uulan. So, I'm planning to plant this clematis. So we already set up the trellis for it sa front. I'll bring it to the front now. Cloudy, mukhang uulan. Yun ang aming mulch. There, it's supposed to be like that. Ikot-ikot ko siya sa trellis. Okay. Naku, naging cloudy. And this is the mulch. Open na to, oh. Nice yarrow. Yarrow. Or yellow flower. Daming kumakagat. Kaya nag-spray ako. Our, what do you call this? Hibiscus. Yan, ganda. And ito ni-spray ko kasi kanina meron na namang green, ano. Kaya ang dami na namang butas. Okay. Dianthus. Yung white. At saka the pink rose. Bango siya kahit kaunti lang. Even though the dianthus are just small and konting fragrance, they smell good. Okay, I need to plant. Mukhang uulan talaga. Bye-bye for now. So, natanim ko na siya. This is what it looks like. The clematis. And I transferred one Montauk daisy or Montauk daisy and my 5 sunflowers. So, more plants to put in there. Tapos mulching. Okay. Mulch again. Good morning, another day. So here are our lilies. Hindi pala siya Asiatic lilies, but Oriental lilies, and they smell so good. So it's so big. Katabi niya si Peony. Nice. Bango. And the rose, meron na siyang 3 blooms. So inaalagaan kong watering because in the afternoon siya what do you call that? It's drooping. And then that one, I'm not sure if I want to move it. It might suffer shock, but probably we can. And this is the catmint. Catmint. I'm just wondering where I should move that Asiatic lily. Maybe there beside that. Here in this space. Here. Okay. So I already cut the salvia for another set of blooms. And the Asiatic lily. Ayan. Nag-bloom na lahat. 4 blooms. And the rose. And here are our baby birds. Sleeping sila. There. Okay. Let's check on the delphiniums. Mukhang okay naman sila. My dahlia growing. Another dahlia there. And the Shasta daisies getting ready to bloom. And look at our delphiniums. Wow, blue na blue. Okay. Peonies. Tapos na sila. They're done blooming. And here on the other side, I think I want to put dahlia here. Let's see kung kakayanin a dahlia bloom here. Ganda. And the rest of our mulch. Okay. Oops. And I also planted 6 sunflowers there. Just need to mulch. Okay. Red rose sa garden. First red rose for the year. Hey, ganda. Kasabay ito nung nasira na namatay na rose. Nice. Putting mulch again. Ito, hydrangea. Lumaki na siya. Okay. And I pruned our Weigela. Wala na yung mga dead branches. And here we have one bud. There. And hopefully itong hydrangea kung isa mag-bloom na. Okay, ganda. Okay. Good morning. It is another day today. And here is how our new garden bed looks like. So here's the clematis. I tied it three branches of the clematis to the trellis. And then I have 6 sunflowers. And this is a non-talk daisy. And this is a dahlia, orange dahlia, which I will plant here. And this is a mulch. So, konti na lang siya. Konting-konti na lang. So, we have to clear it this week. And then, our delphinium. Oh, there's Mama Bird. Lumipad na siya uli. Kala niya pupunta na naman ako dun. Hello, Mama Bird. Good morning. So, salvia. And I'm just happy with the oriental lilies. Oriental lilies. Oh, the birds, the baby birds are there inside. There. Yung nood si Mama Bird. So, yung lily sa likod. Lily sa likod, di ko na muna siya i-move. Mukha namang maka-bloom siya. And the rose, new rose, yan, has 3 buds. And mukhang maganda to. Disease resistant siya. Ang ganda ng mga leaves niya. Anyway, just want to check on my ayun si Mama Bird. Mama Bird. finding worms for her inakais or baby birds. And oriental lilies, Asiatic lilies. Okay. Okay, I will plant the dahlia first before we go to church. Okay. So I already planted it there. So it's orange dahlia. So hopefully it will produce a lot of blooms and it will be beautiful. But I will need to stake it when it does grow big. Okay, it's so peaceful out here. I think it's going to rain. Look at the clouds. And I spread the mulch over there and sprayed anti-deer for our sedum. Kinakain na naman. Okay, so that's it for now. Better go inside and have breakfast and get ready for Sunday church. So our doggy, Benny, in remembrance of Benny, our beloved doggy, we miss him so much. But I want to see if we'll have any clematis blooms still. I don't know when the clematis bloom, if it still blooms in summer. Okay, bye for now. But there, hold on, there is growth here. Oops, not focusing. Anyway, bye bye for now. Also an update on our begonia. So ito laki na. So big. So there are 2 plants in there. Here, dalawa din. I think dalawa din. And then here, 3. We have 3 here. Buti hindi na siya ginagalaw ni chipmunk. And our flowers here. Hydrangea, may blooms na, buds. Buds. And our coreopsis starting to bloom. Yan. So that's it for now. Again. Yarrow. Purple yarrow and cornflower. Oops. Okay. It's afternoon and it's so cloudy, windy. Just wanted to show that our Asiatic lily red has opened. It's so nice. Before I could not enjoy it because of the chipmunk always got it after or even before it blooms. They eat the buds. And now, so we have side by side there. Although one by one only. And then cornflower. I think it will rain. It's so cloudy today. And I just wanted to show the coreopsis blooming. I want to show my red rose. it has opened and it looks so nice. I'm happy with it. I wish it will be productive, more productive. This one, it's so nice. There you go. There, red rose. Happy red rose. So nice. And it will rain, so it might be destroyed. Okay. Good morning. It's a cold morning today, maybe around 50s. And lilies, red lilies, yellow, and this Dusty Miller. I plan to put them in front now. Nag-yellow na siya. So, we can plant. It rained hard last night. Severe thunderstorm. Kaya, basang-basa. Everything is wet. But it's a good thing. So, I don't need to water the plants. But, ayan, the roses, ano na sila. They're all wet and heavy. That's why they're drooping. And the two Asiatic lilies, tapos na. Anyway, I will plant before the sun rises. And it's so hot. Coneflower. Taas. Okay. So I'm planning to put it here in front of the clematis. Yan, dito, sa part na yan. Para pwede naman siyang alisin after kung magiging masyadong malaki. Okay. So there are 5. There are 5 of them. So we can position first kung paano ilalagay. Yan. Dusty Miller. Annual lang siya. But in our experience, they return every year depending on where you put them. Yung dati nagre-return but I transferred it to another area so hindi na siya nabuhay. There. One maybe here. Madami siya. 5. Oops. It's hard to get out of the package or the container. Ayan. And you have to remove the dead leaves. O, kakat ko na lang mamaya. Maybe here. So hard. And it has new growth there. There. This new growth. Okay, so I have to figure out how to position them first, but I need to clean it up first. Remove the dead leaves. So I need to position them. Paano ba maganda? Formation. Like this. Maybe like that. Right? Tatlo. Lima. Does it look good? Better? I think so. That'll be good. Okay. at the worm. Okay, does it look good? Okay ba? Okay na siguro yan. I can always change it kung hindi okay. Okay, then I will water and put mulch. And then I would do something else. Balik ulit later. Okay. Oops. So I will water to remove air pockets. Washing also the soil away from the, not away, from the leaves. Just to clean it up a bit. And so that the soil will settle around the plant, the roots. Yan, happy na sila. They can grow bigger. Okay. Just so happy to see this. This yarrow is so big. It grew so much. Last year when I planted it, it was just so thin and small. And our coneflower has bloomed and it was red. So happy. I got a red coneflower. That's why I bought it from clearance last year. And this yellow rose still here. The anthus and the white one also bloomed. Red one. They're also floppy because of the strong rain last night. And I want to check on my red rose. So it's fully open now. And it's so pretty. See that? With the dew. Morning dew. This did not bloom last year. And it only bloomed now. It's like I bought it the same time as the other one that bloomed last year, but died this year. And here is a robin egg. Saan kaya galing yan? Where did it come from? I hope the bird or the little birdie that came from it is alright. Okay. White yarrow. Yellow yarrow. So happy with my red rose. Only one for now, but there are buds. One more bud here. One more bud here. Okay. And this Corabelle Euchera caramel, so big now. Started from only one and I divided them. And look at my hydrangea because it's so wet. I hope it will stand up again. Stand up. They're so heavy with rain, with water. See, very nice. Limetta. Hydrangea limetta. Okay, there. Lots of water. Okay. morning sun, lavender. Nice. Dumami din sila. I cut it. And the hydrangea. Pink yan, pink. Okay. Wala pang tumutubo sa aking peach gladiolus here in front. Okay. And our mulch. Konti na lang. Lapit na yung matapos. And our Shasta daisy, some of it has opened. Nice, nice, nice. Naku, nakapasok pala yung microphone ko. I hope you're able to hear what I was saying. Okay. Okay, started mulching. Yan na sila. Hi. It's cloudy. But sometimes the sun goes out too. And I'm sweaty. Yun na ang mulch namin. So, that's it. The mulch. You still need to distribute or keep na iba. Okay, konti na lang. And okay, and from afar our mulch.